So overall, the best way to recognize if a redox reaction is going on is to determine if you have elemental forms within your equation. So if you have elemental forms present within the reaction, this is a good indicator that you've probably got a redox reaction going on. So you might look for things like solid metals like sodium, iron, nickel, anything existing just in its solid state. This can also occur with nonmetals too, like carbon or sulfur, like we saw in our last reaction. You can also have molecular elemental forms as well. So if you see present within your reaction things like O2 or H2 or Cl2 gas or iodine gas, these are all good indicators that you probably have a redox reaction that's going on. The way you can be sure is to calculate the oxidation numbers for your equations to figure out which is the reduced compound and which is the oxidized compound. So remember, if something gets oxidized, it's going to act as the reducing agent because it's going to donate those electrons to something else. And if it gets reduced, it's going to act as the oxidizing agent because it's going to oxidize something else. So once you figure out if you've got a redox reaction, by looking for these elemental forms, you need to calculate the oxidation numbers.